Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add a website shortcut icon to your home screen on a TCL 40SE. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Chrome. Now go to the website that you want to add as a shortcut and click on this three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down and find Add to Home Screen. You'll be able to change the name of this icon. When it's ready, select Add to Home Screen. Now we can go back and you should be able to find it in the first empty space. When you click on it, it should instantly open a website that you've added. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.